Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to make a sale with ResalePay. I will be using the Clover Mini as the credit card terminal device for this video. To make a sale in Liberty with ResalePay, make sure the credit card terminal device is on customer mode. This is what it will look like if it is in customer mode. Then from there you are ready to make a sale. Make sure you are in the POS, then press New Sale. Depending on your settings, you will see this Select Account pop up. Select the account you want to use, then press OK. Then type in the account number-item number and press Enter on your keyboard. Or scan in the item with the barcode. If you have more items, keep entering them in. However, make sure you have the credit card button set up. If you don't have it set up, contact Resale World Technical Support. Once you are done entering in all the items, press the credit card button. It will show Please wait. Processing credit card payment. In addition to a loading bar, you can tap, insert, or swipe. I am going to tap my card for this test transaction. When that is finished, you will hear it make this sound, and that means it processed successfully. It will show the logo of what card the customer is using and show a check mark, and that it was approved. On Liberty side of things, it will ask for the rewards number, depending on your settings and if you want to print a receipt or not. You will then see a $0.00 pop up showing that the transaction is complete on Liberty side as well. That's how you make a sale with ResalePay. Thanks for watching.